A massive winter storm is about to slam New York City. Blizzard conditions, 70 mph winds, and up to 2 feet of snow. This could shut down the entire East Coast. A powerful winter storm is set to hit the U.S. East Coast, bringing dangerous blizzard conditions, extreme winds, and widespread power outages. The National Weather Service has issued blizzard warnings for millions of people across New Jersey, Delaware, Long Island, New York City, and southern Connecticut, starting Sunday morning and lasting through Monday afternoon. During the storm, heavy and wet snow will fall at rates of up to 2 inches per hour, combined with wind gusts reaching 40 to 70 miles per hour. These conditions could create near-zero visibility, making travel extremely dangerous and potentially life-threatening. In New York City, snowfall is expected to reach up to 17 inches, with worst-case scenarios approaching nearly 2 feet. City officials are urging residents to stay off the roads unless absolutely necessary and to remain indoors if possible. Emergency crews are preparing for downed trees, power line damage, and possible coastal flooding. Widespread flight delays and cancellations are also expected across major airports in the region. Several states, including New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C., are under winter storm warnings, with authorities declaring states of emergency in some areas. Officials advise residents to prepare emergency supplies, including at least 3 days of food, drinking water, medications, fully charged phones, warm clothing, blankets, and first aid kits. The storm is expected to weaken by late Monday morning, but officials warn that the Monday commute could be extremely hazardous. 1. Stay safe, stay informed, and subscribe for real-time breaking news updates.